Good morning. It's Sunday, August 29th, day 114. It's almost 7:30. Last night it thunderstorm and rain so much from 7 p.m. to about midnight. My tent is dirty. Ugh. But I survived and stayed dry. Thank goodness for normal restroom with flushing toilet. So I'm gonna go clean up and clean my tent. Hiker hobble. There's a trash truck over there, dump truck. Just so comforting to know that I'm not in a remote wilderness. It's so weird, so exciting. Looks like there's a hiking group ready to start hiking. I should find something like that. I should join a hiking group in Dallas after I get back. It's nice to hike locally with a group of people who share the interest of hiking. I'll do that when I get back. It's about noon now, and I've walked about 8 miles. I am at Thornton Gap. There's a side Blue Blaze trail that I took to use the restroom. There's a oh my gosh, you have no idea how nice it is to see a restroom, a flushing toilet. Just, I don't know, it just brings back, just thinking about my drive to Harper's Ferry, stopping at a rest area. Um, just thinking about civilization. It's just such a good memory and I miss it. I want to go to a rest area. You're so weird, sheep. Okay, I think I'm going this way. Yeah, I came from there. Yep. It looks daunting on Gut Hook. A daunting climb towards Mary's Rock. I think I'm making good progress. Walked almost 20 miles yesterday and I'm not even sore. Not even tired. That's good. It was a really bad thunderstorm and rain last night. It kept me awake until midnight because the thunder was so loud and it's sprinkling all morning. Hopefully it'll stop, but it's cooler now. There's no bugs. Here's the climb. Finally I can video again after it stopped sprinkling. I miss my house. So I am ascending 965 feet in 1.6 miles. That's where Mary's Rock is. But this is what I love about Virginia. Even though it's a climb, there's no big rock like as bigger than you, like in New Hampshire that you have to climb. In Virginia, it's just a gradual uphill climb. You don't have to watch every step, and it's smooth. No big rocks, no big roots. I still love Virginia. Did I tell you guys that? If I haven't, I love Virginia. I'm going so slow right now. So tired. I'm still climbing Mary's Rock. Half more mile till the highest point, but I don't think the AT goes to the summit of Mary's Rock. There's a Blue Blaze trail that I am not going to take to the summit, but it's 0.5 mile. I'm almost there. My God, where's the end of this climb? It turns into this. Okay, I'm almost at the highest point, I think right there. But the AT doesn't go up to the summit like I said before. Mary's Rock is 3,453 feet elevation. Oh, so slow. Hello, Mary. It's called Mary's Rock. Oh, this morning I made oatmeal for the first time ever. I never had oatmeal. The first time I ate oatmeal was at the Lake of the Clouds hut in the White Mountains, and it was pretty good. I thought it would be like baby food, like eating baby food, but it was good. So I got some oatmeal from the hiker's box in Harper's Ferry because my resupply didn't get there. And I made one for the first time this morning with honey. It was so good. Look at the view. Nothing. Oh, I'm close to the shelter called Bird's Nest Hut. I've arrived at Bird's Nest Shelter. Or they call it Bird Nest Hut here. Hut. It's made of stone. Tired. It's still early, but I'm gonna stop for lunch. There's a bear box. I still have a few hours. Wow. It's like a stage. Very nice. Look at that. There's a fireplace. And clean, okay. I like this shelter. Maybe I should stay here. How far have I gone? Like 11 or 12 miles? I'll reassess. I'll look at AT Guide and Gut Hook and then plan accordingly. So I'm at Bird's Nest Shelter number 3, and this guy just walked in, and what did you say?
Oh, your sheep.
How do you know?
I watch your YouTube channel.
Thank you for watching. And your name?
John.
Oh, okay. No trail name?
Not yet.
Ah, okay. Thanks for watching my channel. All right. I am continuing my hike towards the picnic ground. Pinnacle picnic ground. I'm leaving Bird's Nest Hut now. It's cool to meet one of my subscriber. He recognized me right away. Still foggy and no view, nothing to see. So the summit is called the Pinnacle. Look at the view. White. The elevation of this place is 3,694 feet. Pretty high. There's been so many climb. This is like my 3rd climb already today. But I think if I remember correctly, I'm gonna stay like up high, like around 300 feet elevation, and not go down so far down. So it's like maintaining at 3,000 feet, if I'm not mistaken, for a while. Wow, looks really cool. I am half a mile away from Pinnacle picnic area, where I can go to the bathroom with flushing toilet and water spigot. I can refill my water. I love Shenandoah. And I love Virginia. I made oatmeal again for lunch. And it gave me a lot of energy. Wow. Oh, cool. So pretty. So I am at Pinnacle Picnic Ground, and I'm going to go to the restroom and fill up my water. Where is it? I don't know. There's a lot of tourists. Okay, it smells so good here. People barbecuing. I went pee. Time to continue. I hope I'm going the right way. A short hike. I wouldn't call my hike a short hike. It's pretty. A lot of foreigners. The section after the Pinnacle picnic ground has been so beautiful. Look at that. And the fog makes it even more mysterious. There are some rocks, but nothing serious. I am about 3.5 to 4 miles from Skyland Resort. Maybe if I can get there before 5 o'clock or whenever they close, I can get some ice cream. Climbing, I don't know what is this a mountain or a hill? I don't know, but it's rocky and long. I'm 1.4 miles from Skyland Resort. Hopefully I'll make it before they close. I don't know where I'm gonna camp again tonight. I got to this cliff. Ooh, there's some view. Finally, it's still foggy over there, but the cloud is sweeping in. This looks better than I remember the view in the 100 Mile Wilderness. There's nothing, No town, no house, nothing. Just lakes and trees. But you can see towns. I like it. Okay, time to continue. Oh, too close. Where is the trail? Ooh, there's more. Look at this. I believe this place is called Little Stony Man Overlook. I'm tired. Oh, that climb is long. I hope I can find a place to camp. Oh, look. What is this? Why is this rope fall? I don't know. I can't look. Maybe someone's doing rock climbing? Huh. I have no idea. Moving on. There's a white blaze. Wow. Oh, look at this. Okay. So, here's the trail. It looks cool, like a tunnel. I'm tired. I need to take my backpack off soon because I can feel it on my neck sometimes in the afternoon. I'm 0.6 miles to the Skyland Resort. So there was a junction that was a little confusing. They moved the AT this way temporarily. I don't know why. So there was a trail going straight that has a white blaze, but when I walked on it, it doesn't match gut hook direction. So they used this blue trail as a temporary AT. Okay then, but it's pretty. Oh, there's some people behind me. Far away, I can hear them. It's so pretty. Everything in Virginia is pretty. And I can say, easy trail, Bobo, a lot. I can't wait to tell Bobo about Virginia. Oh man, I wish. I wish I can buy a souvenir, but I can't carry it. So I am inside of Skyland Resort. The restaurant isn't open till 5. I think I'm gonna get a dessert of their famous, Virginia famous blackberry ice cream pie. And while waiting, I got these. And these. Well, I decided to skip going to the restaurant because they don't open till 5, and then there was a line waiting. If I hang out there eating till 6, I'm afraid it's gonna be too late for me to find a stealth site, and then it'll be dark. That's my fear, to look for places in the dark. So I just skip it. I'll eat ice cream pie sometime when I'm staying for my 0 day soon, in 2 days. This AT detour is so confusing. There's the construction, so I just ignore all the detour sign and just follow the AT sign, and then I hope I can find a stealth site somewhere around the stable. There's a stable where the resort keeps all the horses. I'm tired. That was a climb. But I like the watermelon beer. It's a Charlottesville, Virginia beer, and 100-gram chocolate bar. Mmm. These are the stable. Horse poo. Hopefully I can find some stealth spot here. Oh, I found a good spot. Right there. Yep. How do I get there? All right. In the middle of the forest, there's a stealth camping spot for me. Perfect. Oh, this is so flat and so roomy. Oh, thank God. Okay, good. It's 7:30 now and it's getting dark. I've done all my chores, set up my camp, organized, brush my teeth, drink my coffee. So I'm ready to go to bed soon. This is my stealth camping site. Let me show. So this is the surrounding. The trail is up there. Yeah, there's no other hikers now. Here's my setup. Yeah, that's it. Tomorrow, I'm so excited. I'm gonna walk 15 miles and stay at the Lewis Mountain Campground, and I'm gonna get to shower and do laundry and stuff. All right. Good night, everyone. Good night, Mammy and Peppy and Dido, my sister.